Hi guys, this is Jimmy from Data Driven Teaching. This is the data dashboard. So I'm just going to show you here how quickly it is to add marks for a student. Okay, these are exit tickets, so they're assessments for learning. Okay, I have up to lesson 11. Okay, so down here you can see I can add marks, final marks or second attempt marks. Okay, so lesson 1, it hasn't changed, it's 3, but you can see it's already 100% here. So you can skip those and go straight to lesson 5. So if I go straight to lesson 5, I can check, have they improved? Yes, they have improved by a mark, jumps up to 80%, so great improvement there, 60 to 80. Next two, she did quite well there. Okay, now let's go to lesson 8 to see how much she improved for lesson 8. Okay, so lesson 8 there was no improvement, so we'll stay at 3.5. Lesson 9 there was an improvement of a raw mark of 1, so it's gone up to 2.5. Lesson 10 as 3, 4, 5. So she's on 5 again, not much of an improvement there. Lesson 11, it's her first attempt. This one, she did quite well, 10.5, so that's 95%. Okay, so I'll just put the 10.5 under here for now so we can compare, and we can modify that later, okay, when she resubmits that. Okay, so if we move to the right here, we can quickly see where she's at and how much she's improved. Okay, so from her first attempt to her second attempt, it's jumped from 70 to 91%. An increase of 20%. So that's how easy it is to add data in the data dashboard and evaluate improvement. See you guys.